Hello kids, let's learn about noun. We can see so many things around us. Whatever we can see or talk about has a name. That naming word is called noun. A naming word or noun can be name of persons. It can be the name of places. It can be the name of things. And it can be also the name of animals or birds. Let's see some of the name of the persons that we can see around us. When we get sick, who does our checkup? To whom we go for our checkup, kids? Yes, to doctor. Doctor is name of a person, so it is a noun. We can also see many other persons around us like teacher, police officer, girl, boy, clown. All are noun. Many more are also there. So many animals or birds we can see around us. Some of the animals or birds we can also see in zoo, like tiger, elephant, crow, cow, hen. Many more other animals are also there. They all are having name. So name of all animal or birds is a noun. Here tiger, elephant, hen, crow, cow are noun. We can see a lot of places around us. When we need, we can go there as per our requirement. Let's see some name of places. Hospital, park, kitchen, school. Many more places also you must be knowing, kids. The name of all the places are noun. Here hospital, park, kitchen, school are nouns. We have lots of things around us. Whatever things we can see that is having a name. Let's see some examples. Bag, flower, umbrella, tree, tomato. Many more things are also there. The name of the things are noun, like here bag, flower, umbrella, tree, tomato are noun. Here some pictures of naming words are given. We have to put them in correct places. First one is lion. Lion is a noun. It comes under animal bird category. Second is a bus. Bus is a thing. Third one is a hotel. Hotel is naming word is a place. Peacock. Peacock is a naming word that will come under animal bird category. Then gardener. Gardener is a person. Banana. Banana is a naming word. It will come under thing category. Then playground. Playground is a naming word. It is a place. Barber. Barber is a naming word. It is a name of a person. The girl is playing with a balloon. Let's see what are the nouns here. Girl. Girl is a name of a person. So it is a noun here. Then balloon. Balloon is name of a thing. So in this sentence we have two nouns, girl and balloon. This is my pencil. What are the nouns here? Pencil. Pencil is a name of a thing. My mother cooks tasty food. What are the nouns here? Mother. Mother is the name of a person. Food. Food is a name of a thing. So here we have two nouns, mother and food. Sita likes to eat ice cream. What are the nouns here? Sita is the name of a person. Ice cream is the name of a thing. We have two nouns here, Sita and ice cream. There is an aeroplane in the sky. What are the nouns here? Aeroplane is the name of a thing. Sky is name of a place. In this sentence, we have two nouns, aeroplane and sky. My sister sings very well. What are the nouns here? Sister. Sister is name of a person. So it is a noun here. A boy is sitting under a tree. Let's see what are the nouns here. Boy. Boy is the name of a person. Tree is the name of a thing. So here in this sentence we have two nouns, boy and tree. My father is reading a newspaper. What are the nouns here? Father. Father is the name of a person. Newspaper is the name of a thing. So in this sentence we have two nouns, father and newspaper. My grandfather went to the hospital and met Dr. Smith for his health checkup. What are the nouns here? Grandfather is the name of a person. Hospital is the name of a place. Dr. Smith is the name of a person. We have three nouns here, grandfather, hospital and Dr. Smith. The children are walking to the school. Let's see what are the nouns here. Children. Children is the name of person. School is the name of a place. Two nouns are here, children and school. Ravi went to Kolkata by train. What are the nouns here? Ravi is the name of a person. Kolkata. Kolkata is the name of place. Train is the name of a thing. We have three nouns here, Ravi, Kolkata and train. There are two types of naming words, common names or common noun. Common nouns are the generic name of person, place, thing. They are not capitalized unless they come at the beginning of a sentence. Then special name or proper noun. It is the name we give to a specific person, place or thing. This is a boy. Boy is a generic name of person. So boy is common noun. His name is Ravi. He has a special name. The boy has a special name, Ravi. So Ravi is a special noun or proper noun. When we are saying Ravi, we are referring to the specific boy. So Ravi is a proper noun. This is a girl. Girl is a generic name of a person. So girl is a common noun. Her name is Geeta. Geeta is the special name of this girl. So Geeta is a special noun or proper noun. This is a dog. Dog is a generic name of animal. So dog is a common noun. His name is Jack. The dog has a special name, that is Jack. So Jack is a special noun or proper noun. Name Jack is pointing to this specific dog. So Jack is a proper noun. This is the picture of India Gate. India Gate is the name of a specific monument. So India Gate is a proper noun. Let's see some more example of common noun and proper noun. Man. Man can be any man. It's a generic name of person. So it's a common noun. Prakash. Prakash, it identifies a specific man. So it's a proper noun. Then city. It is not referring to any specific city. It can be any city. That's why it's a common noun. Chennai. It identifies a particular city. So it's a proper noun. Parrot. It's a generic name of bird. It can be any parrot. So it's a common noun. Sweetie. It is the name of the parrot. It is referring to a specific parrot. So it's a proper noun. Special names always begins with a capital letter. Months of the year have special names like January, February and other months. Let's see one example. Tom will be 5 in March. Here Tom and March both are proper noun. In March, M is written in capital letter. Days of the week have special names like Sunday, Monday and other days also. Tom was playing with a ball last Sunday. Here Tom and Sunday both are proper noun, but kids notice here in Sunday S is written in capital letter even though it has come at the end. Special days have special names like Holi, Diwali, Independence Day. Rohit is flying a kite. Here Rohit is pointing to this specific boy. So Rohit is a proper noun. Kite. Kite is a generic name of a thing. So it is a common noun. Rita and Shyam are playing in the sea beach. Rita is the name of this girl. Shyam is the name of this boy. It is saying about a particular boy and particular girl. So Rita and Shyam are proper noun. But sea beach, it is not saying anything about the name of the sea beach. So sea beach is a common noun. Willie is playing with a ball. Willie is the name of this cat. So Willie is a proper noun. Ball is the generic name of a thing. So it is ball is a common noun. Last year I went to Agra to see Taj Mahal. Here Agra and Taj Mahal both are proper noun as Agra is the specific name of a place and Taj Mahal is referring to a specific monument. So Taj Mahal is also a proper noun. Now kids, let's do one exercise. Here some naming words are given. We have to find out whether it's a common noun or proper noun. First one is city. It's a generic name of a place. Here only city is written, not the city name. So it's a common noun. Mumbai. It identifies a specific city. So it's a proper noun. Bus. Here bus name or bus number is not given. Only bus is written. So it's a generic name of a thing. That's why it's a common noun. Boy. As boy name is not given, only boy is a generic name of person, so it's a common noun. Red Fort. Red Fort identifies a specific monument, so it's a proper noun. River. River can be any river. As river name is not given, it represents generic name of a place. That's why it's a common noun. Howrah Bridge. It identifies a specific bridge, so it's a proper noun. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the like button.